I have started my ad performance journey from last 1 year. It's been like 13, 14 months. I started from the month of April. And I have learned so many things. Initially, when I started, I was only optimizing for cheaper lead. But recently, I have realized that it's not a great thing, even though you can get cheap leads, but that is not going to convert. So
Right.
eventually, I found out some of the creatives which are like giving me good CPL, but also giving great conversion in the workshop, the 5 day workshop I have.
Hmm.
Now, the question I have is with those ads which are like high converting after the workshop, I mean, after the workshop, the final
Hmm.
product, the 5,000 rupee product. Other than those ads, I have few ads who are giving me lower CPL, and also I have this 50 rupee workshop and a 200 rupee OTO.
Hmm.
So what is happening is the pricing of the converting ads sometimes goes higher, which is I'm fine with. But there are ads which do not convert at the back end, but it is keeping my front end kind of break even or profitable. So my question is, should I keep those kind of ads in the campaign? I mean, I can just cut them, but then the OTO which they are like giving and total profitably of the front end funnel will be like I'm not sure like what to do in in that case.
Let's break it down. Okay, so you have one funnel. Okay, what's the price of the basic thing that you are selling?
So the if you ask for the workshop price, it is 49 plus 200 rupees one time offer.
Okay,
Yeah.
right.
And then at the back end, I'm selling a program for 5,000 rupees.
Let's do an opportunity cost analysis. Now over here you have, let's say, 100 people who are coming in. Okay,
Yes.
if you are running bad ads. Okay,
Yes.
if you are
Okay.
running only good ads, okay, then let's say you are getting 70 people. Okay, 30 people gone.
Okay.
Over here you are spending, let's say, 1 lakh rupee, okay, to get these. Not 1 lakh, I'll say 1 lakh is way too much. Maybe 10,000 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay, so in order to get these people
My
you need
numbers
10.
are also similar. Actual numbers are also similar.
Okay.
Yeah.
So for 10,000, okay, 100, okay, for 10,000, 70. Okay.
70.
So now over here, what's the, so 100, out of these 100, how many take OTO?
30%.
30%. Okay. So, right, this is from the, that one, and the 30% that they are taking, right? Or I'm doing wrong.
It
50,
will
yeah.
be,
I think right or wrong.
yeah, from 100 people, it will be 6,000.
So
That's
100 people, so for, so this one is, and then this one,
yeah, yeah, that's correct. Correct, 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 correct.
right?
Yeah, that's
So you're
correct.
getting 11,000, right?
Yeah.
Now let's do it over here. Okay, how much did you get over here?
Are you asking about the OTO percentage?
Same, I think same audio percentage will be
Yeah,
there.
yeah, same, same, same.
Or
20 to 30% it fluctuates, but
let's say
average
30.
are
Let's
the
say
same.
30 only, so that
Yeah, yeah,
apples are
30
fair.
only.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. So you got over here. Okay. Okay.
yeah.
So over here you are earning 11,000, and over here you are earning 5,600. Okay.
Yes.
Tell me the distribution if you don't run, let's say if you don't run, if you, sorry, if you don't pause the bad campaigns, what's the distribution like? What are the good amount of leads and what are the bad amount of leads? Is it 50-50, 70-30? How much you let the bad ones take the chunk out of the total pie? Because these are all the
It's
good
it's
ones.
it's 70-30.
Still
70-30.
70-30.
Yes,
So
still 70-30.
I'll say over here this will be more than 70.
Okay.
Why? Because if let's say you're dedicating all the budget over here, okay, it will become 80 obviously, because 70 you're already getting over here, 70-30, right?
Okay.
So the realistic will be 80. Okay,
Okay.
this is
Got
what
it.
I assumed, so just ignore it. Let's say
Yes,
80.
yes, yes.
Okay,
Yes.
so
Okay.
this becomes, okay, then it's 31, again 4000 something, 4100 something. Okay, so this becomes 8000. Okay, Shubhang, is the calculation correct? Shubhang is like, why
Yeah,
am I being,
correct.
okay, sure. Okay, this should be around 4900 actually. So
Mhm.
okay, so over here, how much is the difference did you get?
2000 rupees.
Okay, given that my calculation is correct, if my calculation is wrong, then this whole thing is wrong. Okay,
It's
but
your
idea
difference
is,
practically 11 from 8.
sorry,
11,000 minus 8,000 you're doing, no?
8900.
Oh, 900. That's
Yeah.
9. Okay.
Because what is the 30% of 80? How much is it? Like 21, right?
2400.
Yeah, 24.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, 24. Okay.
2400.
So I'm
Yes.
assuming it 25. So 25 into 2, how much is it? 5000, right? So 4900. That's
5000.
what I have, right? So I'm
Yeah, yeah,
assuming
yeah.
that.
Correct, correct,
Okay.
correct.
So it is 2000 now. Okay, the difference, right? Now tell me this thing. Okay, Rajdeep, what's the conversion percentage of these people, and what's the conversion percentage when these are like 100? Does
So the
it
conversion,
increase significantly, or does it doesn't like
yes, 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 it's crazy conversion. So for the 70 leads, which are like the expensive one and the good ads, the
80, 80,
conversion,
80.
sorry, 80. So the conversion is around 8 to 10%.
Okay,
And
let's take it
for
10%.
yeah,
Yeah.
and for the bad ads,
Hmm.
even like I mean, even if I can get like 3% conversion, it will be a big thing.
So if you are getting 3% conversion rate over here, let me tell you, this will not be 70-30%. Okay.
Okay.
Reason I'll tell you is because 70% of them will still have 10% conversion rate, right?
Okay.
And rest 30% will have a bad conversion rate, but it would not be so bad that it makes it 3%. So it should be around 50-50. 50-50, or like 45 or something. So that's the raw idealistic figure. But let's
Okay.
pick up this one only. So over here you're getting 3%. So how much is
Okay.
3% of 100? 3, right? And
Absolutely.
how much is 10% of 88, right?
8.
So how much did you get finally over here? 15,000. Now how much did
15,000.
you get over here? 40,000.
40,000.
So is this 2000 good for you, or is this 25,000 good for you? You decide. So are you getting it? Like, but this will
Yes.
change. Okay, this will change significantly if this 3% changes, or over here your OTO percentage changes, or the percentage that you are assuming over here is 70-30. Okay, this is not true. So if it is 90 and 10, okay, 90 and 10%, then obviously this is not a good idea, the one that we have done,
Okay.
like spending on only on these 80, right?
Okay. Okay.
But if let's say it is 50-50, then obviously it is a good idea. So it depends upon a lot of variables right now. Okay, and
Okay.
the 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 idea is not to tell you that what is correct. The idea is to tell you how to deduce that this is correct and how this is wrong.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Okay, you know the process now, right? So what all things do
Yes.
you want? So I'll walk you through again. You need to know what is the distribution of this one. Okay,
Okay.
like what are the bad leads and what are the good leads. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
then you need to know, if you invest all of this 10,000 into good leads, then how many would you get over here.
Okay.
Okay, then you need to know whether this 3% and 10% is actually true or not, because it more looks like, as of now, sorry to say, but it looks like you are telling these things on gut feeling. Okay.
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, I just have like a rough
So
estimation.
yeah,
Not 100% sure.
yeah, so that's how you
Yeah.
need to go back on the drawing board. Okay,
Okay.
figure out what is exactly the conversion rate of these people and these people.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
then do
Got it.
this. You might
Okay.
get totally different figures to what I am proposing over here. And let's say this becomes 5%, which you are assuming to be 10%. Okay, all of a sudden what will happen is this 8 becomes 4. Okay,
Okay.
and you get, what do you get over here? 4 into 5, like 20,000. Okay, and the difference is
20,000.
only
Yes.
5,000.
5,000.
Okay, and the difference over here is 2,000 and 5,000, which is 3,000. So right now you are having the benefit of 25,000. It straight away became 3,000.
Okay.
then it might not be a healthy exercise for you, right?
Yes.
Because just for
100.
3,000, why would you be like, nah, let's, because anyway, these people will also convert later on,
Yes.
right? Might happen. So
True.
why
True.
are you blocking those people now?
Okay. Makes 100% sense. So instead of by just just having a gut feeling, we should do the math and look at the end economics of the things.
Exactly, because there's an effort which will
Yeah.
go over here on a daily basis if you are trying to, get this 3,000 benefit. The
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
what does that
Exactly.
mean is that optimizing it again and again and again, right?
Yes.
And doing a lot of things in the background. So it just doesn't
Okay.
make sense to do it at times, right?
Makes 100%
And
sense.
probably what you're seeing over here is that a lot of people might be converting from a previous workshop and getting attributed to this month,
Hmm.
and you are wrongly see, right? It happens, right? So
Yes. Yes.
you might wrongly block these people who would have converted over there. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So, if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So, in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So, if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.